Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Naval Singh Todawat from Moreshwar College, Bhokardan. Friends, this video is meant for the BSc SY student. And as we are aware, due to this pandemic, the authority, university authority as well as the concerned authorities have guided us to have an online mode teaching. And by looking it, we're going to study the fourth same paper for the BSc second year theory paper, that is the plant physiology. Well, what is physiology? As we are aware of our human physiology or the organism physiology, unlike we'll be studying the plant physiology. Well, while looking out the physiology are the process which are ruined internally in the body or the microbes or the plant, but the effect and the product of that particular or specific process can be observed externally also. Digestion process, respiration process, excretion process. With regards to plants, respiration, photosynthesis, gummosis. Gums are the secretory material of the plant, that is the secondary secretory materials, and so on. Well, we consume the water which takes place, transpiration takes place through our skins, and most of the time we sweats and due to the well, before touching to the aspect of plant physiology, what beat or what topics we are going to study. Actually, in today's video, we are just looking out the syllabus and the paper or the content of the physiology paper. Well, we'll be going to see in details day by day. We are going to prepare the videos according to the unit wise and the aspect wise. So, well, in this paper, we will be having 45 lectures, and this paper is divided into 3 units, and 3 credits, and 1 credit is equivalent or equal to 15 lectures. Now what the thing you see on this screen in unit first, that is relationship between the water and the plant. So how the water reacts with plants and how the plants utilize the water and the different mechanisms by using the different ways: diffusion, osmosis, plasmolysis, and imbition. Water absorption, ascent of sap, that is the transpiration theory. Transpiration, with that transpiration is mostly related with the stomatal activities and sometimes with the hairs, that is glandular hairs. Well, as we know, each and every organism needs the nutrients, food materials for its survival, for its growth, and it needs the energy for its day-to-day activities. Likewise, plant do need the nutrition. Now the nutritions are divided into two types, macro as well as the micro. Well, the roles of the nutrients in the plant's life. When the nutrients is absent in the life of the plant, what adverse effects can be seen on that particular organisms. The methods of the minerals to absorb, to uptake, which are those, can also be studied. Translocation of solutes. The second units, that is based on the enzymes, growth regulators, growth pattern. What are the hormones, growth regulators such as gibberellic, cytokinin, abscisic acid, ethylene, auxins, and how they help for a specific or a particular part for a particular process. Next to the photosynthesis, we all are aware of this process. What is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process to produce or process the food or the food material for the survival of the plant and to complete its life cycle. Next to that, respiration, as we inhale the oxygen and releases the carbon dioxide. In the same pattern, what happens in the respiration of the plants, the TCA cycle, that is the glycolysis, alcoholic, and the things are seen. Well friends, so this paper is divided into 3 credit as well as the 3 units, and all these aspects we are going to cover in our upcoming videos and we are going to study the thoroughly. Well, please go to this syllabus and find out some books and try to read it, whether it is possible for you to use the books, or you can also go for the Google and many more options. So with this, thank you.